Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to be reviewing the K-Bar Mini Dozier Folding Pocket Knife. So first of all, I want to say that I have no affiliation with any manufacturer, distributor, or retailer, and I purchased this knife with my own funds. So let's get into it. So as you can see, we have a very compact knife overall. The blade length is 2 3/8 inches, or 60 millimeters. We have a weight without the pocket clip of 1.0 ounces or 30 grams, so super lightweight. Let me fold the knife up here and bring in a standard butane lighter to compare the size against. So you can see the size of the handle is pretty much exactly the same size as the butane lighter. It's actually thinner than the butane lighter though. So super compact. Zytel handle, one piece. I think it's a one-piece handle. You have an adjustable pivot. It's a T8. The blade of this version is coated with a black paint, which unfortunately tends to chip off pretty badly. But I have carried this knife for a long time. But if I was going to get it again, I would get a plain, non-coated version of the blade. Also, this orange handle scale gets kind of grimy, so it's kind of a grimy orange now. So I'd prefer, actually I would prefer a blue colored handle scale, but they do not make it in that. So if you're listening, K-Bar, please make a blue version of this knife. I know you make a blue version of the full-size Dozier. So the pivot is adjustable, so I have it set to drop. But if you want to make it a little stiffer, you can tighten it up a little bit. So overall, this is a super practical knife. I prefer to carry it without the pocket clip. I just put it in my pocket and let it ride in there with my keys. One downside of it being such a small knife is that it's kind of easy to misplace, because if you don't remember to get it out of your pocket, you might not find it until the laundry or something like that. So, but anyway, it's a great utilitarian knife overall, and I highly recommend it for opening boxes and doing stuff like that. Okay, well, thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.